Hello, hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. And today we're going to be doing something that I'm pretty sure I can do it. I'm rebuilding the medicine production. Yeah, that's it. We're rebuilding medicine production. I'm just going to allow them to deliver some stuff here manually because I was destroying their industry. That's what I am, industry destroyer. I was destroying the industry here and moving it ahead. I think I mentioned this before. Right. I was like, what the hell am I doing here? Yeah, I need to have access to the medical storage here, so I need to move this storage just a wee bit. I know that it's not the most... Oh, that's not gonna be good. Well, we can do it this way. Can we do it too? Oh, we can. Do we want to? For sure. Let's do this. If we do it this way and this way. There you go, we have a switch here. This is going to be automatically, we can build this way, we can build this way. So they can access this through here. Wow, okay, there's a lot of happening around here. So let's cover the basics first. I just wanted to do some pavement upgrades. So if we could do it this way, and here. I like to do it all the way. I know that they're gonna build underneath this as well, but I like to do it all the way through. Yeah, that's it for now, for sure. Okay, so what are we doing in this episode is we are producing, we already planned this in the previous episode, and I found out that, yeah, we're producing CO2 over here, and I just connected this pipe of excess CO2 production from our antibiotic production. CO2 is going to be connected through here. I already connected it. So we have... oh, I can do a parking space here as well. Let's do a parking space. This is what Oolykee likes to do off-screen. Parking spaces. So if I do it this way, like this. I think this is not the worst. Something like this. And then here we're gonna just... I'm just gonna make a parking space like this. I can have access to this. Is it 6? It's 6. Yeah, that's it for now, for sure. Okay, so I think I'm happy with this. This would be easy to make an overpass if we needed access to any of these, but we don't. The only access we need here is ammonia. I think ammonia is going down. I started getting some notifications about ammonia storage. As you can see here, over 1,000. Now we are under approximately 850. We started using very small amount of ammonia in this production, but I did pause the whole chemical plant here. Just a heads up. I think hydrogen might be low. I paused this pipe so I can fill this one because this is my main distribution, but it's going down in both of them. Yeah, for sure. We're gonna go and implement or construct more. What are you telling me? I should have all the construction materials, right? Yeah. Okay, this one here. Ooh, that wasn't upgraded. That's hydrogen there, right? Let's, before you start building anything, at least build it to next level. Even though even this is not going to be enough eventually because they're getting 16 each. 7, 14 times 16. That's a lot. That's more than 200, is it? Probably. Approximately. Well, no. 15 times 15 is... okay, so that's 160, and then 4 times 16 is just over 200 when everything is built, but that's fine. I can prepare these pipes for Wesley, when Wesley pipes comes along. 1, 2, 3, 4, so I think... I'll just go with this one as well. To be over... yeah, it's gonna be needed. That's it. What's with these? Everything else should be properly upgraded. Do we have a problem? Oh, yeah, we do. Here we go. Build this one here and this one here. That's more water for the system. hydrogen and oxygen being created here. Excess oxygen is going primarily in this fermentation tank. 24, 24, 48. This is what we're doing. Let me show you how we're doing there. I needed to restock this. Oh, they already restocked this. Perfect. That's very nice to see. Let's go notification here. Notify me if under 75%. I'm gonna do the same here, but bear in mind this is gonna change very, very shortly. So what we have here is the next level. That would be antibiotics. Antibiotics go into here. And connect here. Boom and boom. And yeah, this one as well. Okay, so antibiotics need to be delivered here, but unfortunately we don't even have for one batch of... Whoa, we do. Okay, so deliver then. What the hell? Ye bollocks. What are we doing here? I see that teraflops are very low here. I thought we had more of them working. Maybe they're not working because they're full. Output is full. Okay. So if output is full, do we pause more of these then? They take more people. What about here? Working 79%. Okay, so do we pause more of you as well? Let's try this. I have notifications on, so if anything is wrong, we will know. Copper, I can see that copper is full. Conveyor belts are full of copper, so that's not it. Assembly. Oh, okay, you are missing recipes. Yeah, we're missing the ingredients here. Anyway, so this is fine. I'm happy with all of this. They're just gonna queue up if they need to. What we need is antibiotics. They're on the way. Perfect. Okay, so let's see what we're missing. Basics, uranium. I'm on and off clearing this area or digging for uranium. That's on and off. I'm not really sure how we're progressing there. I'm gonna do a little bit to the left, pivot to the left, and try to dig down from there, even though I can see this area is very, very deep under a lot of rock. Maybe not this. No, everything here. You see this line? I mean, it's still better this area than any other to get this uranium, but it will be challenging. That is fine. That's fine. We're gonna make it. The band's gonna make it. Blocked output. You have rocks here, and you don't have anywhere to dump it. Let me see how the rock dumping is going. It should be going smoothly, but it's not. So what is this? You are assigned to soil. Let's remove that. Okay, so now you're gonna be doing this. Okay, there we go. Haha, resolved. So now they're gonna get more of this. Sand is decent. 400, yeah, that's at least one truckload. Sand, how we doing with Sandman? Enter the Sandman. Here we go. We have some sand. I'm decided to go all in after this sand here. It's just that I don't think we're getting enough rocks over here. We are slowly going to the building the dam, but that's not a problem. I'm just gonna go and dig on this side where the dam is thicker. So yeah, I'm gonna continue dumping more soil. There's still sand here. I don't want to say a lot of sand, but there's still sand here. We don't need a lot of it, but we will soon. And this is where we are coming to now. The next thing. Perfect. Look at this. Boom. We're storing medicine. We are medicine people now. 12 antibiotics, 24. Now, we already have hospital from before, and just before we started this episode, I did select this flu moderate. Okay, that's whatever. I am gonna have myself a coffee. I had issues with wood, harvesting of wood. The tree harvester went uphill here, and for some reason vehicle couldn't follow it. When I checked the vehicle path, it could get in there, so I don't know, that was probably just a minor issue, but yeah, that was an issue. They're planting more and more forest, so that means that we are planting a little bit more than harvesting. This is good preparation for the future, even though you can see that they did do all of this. There's still a lot of planting to be done on this side of the plateau. Okay, what's next? Your nuclear power is working perfectly fine. There was no issues here. I'm constantly running it. This is something that we're going to be talking about now. That's going to be the nuclear reactor number 2, which is going to give us a lot of nuclear energy benefits. I will just go and check what is happening here. I stopped producing parts in this old manufacturing. This one is, let's call it, less people work here, and maintenance is different. How we're doing with maintenance. Here it's 436. I think soon enough we're gonna have to go for another one. But look, this is now 1340. We were over 1400 as far as I remember, so it's going down. I think these upgrades that we're doing are making a difference. We have some vehicle parts and stuff. I said that I want to change, even if I don't know if I'm gonna be wanting these vehicles. Let's go with this. I'm gonna continue replacing diesel vehicles with hydrogen ones. We still have these trucks. We have 15 of them. Let's turn them into hydrogen dump trucks. So let's go with 5. This batch is gonna be 5, so go for it. One by one. Mine control tower. This is the coal mine. This is the settlement. I'm going to do a little bit more geographical showing where we are. This is the upper plateau where I just showed the forest. This is the farming area. Some solar panels that look absolutely appalling. I hate it. This is the biggest coal mine in the game. So I've been doing a little bit of dumping around here, and I'm going to continue doing so. You can see here, vehicles can now enter this area, but I'm going to be doing this. There we go. That's it. Actually, the whole trench can be buried then. Do we need to go this way? Oh, we do. There's no passage in between here, so they need to go this way. Yeah, so that means all the way to here, it's fine. So just dump this level. This is to -11. Just doing it little by little. I will get it to +1 and stop there. I don't even know where the this is +4, so this is just above water. I'm gonna go to +1. I'm not gonna go higher than that. I think also I'm gonna just tell them to excavate this area here so we can have secure passage in this direction. This way and this way. Ta-da! Medical supplies, low, that's the number ones, that's perfectly fine. We have these, are you taking these? Hopefully you are. Okay, so back to the hospital. So this hospital says that we need 43. 43 of these, 43 of the basic ones. Now the basic ones are also needed 24 into 24, and we are making 48. We are not well connected here because I was copy pasting this. I didn't build this properly, so I'm gonna do it now. Let's expand. This is going to be 24 and 24, that's 48. We will need all of that, but I think we're gonna need even more. The problem here lies with both this and this. So we can, what is this, 12 into 12 into 24, we are making 24 here, so this one is good for all of this, but this is barely enough for the current consumption. I have a feeling that the requirements for these both, there we go, this is what I expected. I knew it, you sneaky bastards, I knew it. When you supply them with a different kind of medicine, they not equalize, but they are consuming, they don't need both medicines, they need either or. Okay, this also is going to give us more unity. I need to make sure that we are having, you know what, I'll just go for unity because I want to do speed this research up. It's irking me, bothering me that we are not researching this as fast as we should. Nuclear reactor 2, no rush whatsoever. This is smooth as silk. We are only at 23% full, and I'm fully aware that we're gonna have like 5 of these full of nuclear waste eventually. That's down the line. And that's gonna be one of the next problems that we're gonna try to solve eventually. Okay, so I think everything is fine. I just don't think this is. We're gonna need the antibiotics here. You can see that this says that in order to build 24 of these, we're gonna need 12 antibiotics. We're only making, was it 8 here? Yeah, 8. So straight away, I will try to prepare for this. I will double this up. So we're gonna need more ammonia. So we're gonna double our consumption of ammonia, which is from 1 to 2. Let's do the one by one sugar. Sugar is here. And then ammonia. Ammonia. And oxygen. There we go. And then we have this one. And we have the CO2. Oh, right. The CO2 is so stupid. That's Oolykee's design. Wesley Pipes. Oolykee's design of stupidity. Come on. Come on again. Come on. Freaking hell off. That's it. That's the way. I like it. There we go. So we can go and Orange Man bad. There we go. There we go. Build all of these. This is going to be more antibiotics. This is going to make 16 antibiotics. Eventually it's going to stop working, but at least we're going to have full... Oh my god. Oh, wow. Okay, luckily copper is plentiful, so we can continue. Let's go downhill. I'm slowly building the ramp here. Next mining is uranium. Uranium is still low, so I'm gonna go, that means we're gonna go down. Is this down? Yeah, that's down, and it looks like it's decently uranium-y, that there's some uranium there. Okay, and the third mine is the coal one. Okay, really? I did not know that. Next level of excavation. Let's go this angled, marks an angled one here. Go one in this direction, one in this direction. That's it. Oh, medical supply is low. I need to set this as well. When is notify if under 75%? Just looking if we have guests. Yep, postman leaving stuff. That's fine. Hydrogen is low. Let me see the hydrogen production. Yeah, that's very low. We had like 15. Did we have 16? We even had 16. That's fine. Again, we can just increase this. Power production. I'm thinking about this nuclear power plant. I can't wait for this to be done. Let me just check. Are we doing research here? And we are freaking not. Hell no. Okay, let's go this. I'm thinking that I should be building another office. Nothing else. Yeah, this research here is amazing. Like this research is just like not 24% better. Let me just select something after nuclear reactor. We have gas turbine locomotive. Really? Oh, this is the on natural gas. Oh, really? Okay, sure, whatever. Well, we already started this, so we can add it to the queue, and then we can go for. Ooh. Aluminium is going to be very power intensive. I'm very happy that I'm going for a second nuclear power plant, but yeah, we can go for aluminium after that. Nuclear locomotive would be nice also. Right, so this is all the negative stuff that is negative stuff that is happening. Look at this. Looks so beautiful, the red color. Amazing. Low supply of limestone. This is not looking... it's looking fine. Are you coming here? No. You're going elsewhere. I think I'm gonna have to trim the fat of this area here, because there's so many these fertilizer. I will see how much we're gonna grow. Like I don't mind going for another 1,000 people. If we go for another 1,000... Whoa. Are we having a power problem here? Yeah, let's not. This is definitely high priority. Something is throttling up and down. Oh, coal, yeah. We ran out of coal here. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. I don't care. It's not affecting us. It's not affecting our power production. And this solar thing was just, I wouldn't say waste, but, you know, whatever. Whoa, diesel generators are working. That's a no-no. Let's get those back online. There we go. We have another coal. Yeah, definitely the next nuclear power. But this is one of the most, in my opinion, this is the worst. Oh, did I do the muse again? Yes, I did. My bad. Right, the power production is going to be one of the most important things in the game, in my opinion. We have more coal power that we can tap into. This is so awkward. I built this. I will see. I need to decide where I'm gonna mine this coal, if we're gonna go for this coal. To be honest, I would like to avoid mining coal anymore, just because you know, nuclear is better, and then later you can get from above nuclear, so that's gonna be nice. This is let me see where this is aluminium. I need to see where else aluminium is. We have it here next to the railroad line. We have connection to this island if we need to. Any aluminium over here? Nope, nope, nope. Gold. This is copper, titanium. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, there's aluminium island here. No, but this is good that we have it in this direction. We can use the... I don't know where I'm going to build the aluminium industries, but I know that it's very energy intensive, so we're definitely going to have to go for nuclear power plant first. Okay, let's speed this up. 20 minutes into this episode, and we're going to speed this up. Right, medical supplies. Are we making enough? Let's see, the right click. They still say that it's a demand. We are stockpiling, but I'm pretty sure that they're transferring everything that we make away. This one is working, 98%. Power. This is not working, means electricity. This one is working 92%. Again, electricity, that's fine. Mining tower has no designation. How are you doing with storage? Ish. Let's do next level here. I think I need to give them more dumping area here. If I press L, you will see that there's limestone underwater here. And since this is a limestone beach, it doesn't look that nice. It's stone. Let's do it like this. I don't know, this seems stupid. Let's see where the... Okay, so we don't have to go too far here. So let's just do it this way. I'll do it this way, I think it's easier. Okay, so what do we have here? Mining designation for coal. We are consuming more coal now. This is also coal, so let's go in that direction. Yeah. And do we want to swing back into here? To be honest, we're gonna have to push in this direction one more at least. Now let's do that straight away. Like this. I will do this for safety. And this one is getting skinny. Like this. Perfect. Okay, what's next? Low supply of water. That shouldn't be a problem, I believe. That's temporary for some reason. There's rain also. Okay, nuclear reactor. That should be it. Let's wait for it. Why is my unity now falling down? It's very weird. I want to use that unity. I want to use my unity. I want to use my consumer electronics, hospitals. Okay, let me see the hospitals here. Yeah, they're getting this, but I think this is not quite enough. I think we're gonna be running out of this. So if it's 29, which I have no reason not to believe, I'm just gonna go and upgrade this one. That's gonna double all of these. Single conveyor belt are going to be fine. If I'm gonna double this, we need at least 12. How much is gonna be? 24 now. We won't need 24. I think 16 is gonna be. Ooh. busy around here. I don't want them using this area. I'm gonna have to try to block them from using this. Let's see. If we build blockage here, vehicles, blockage. Did they release this? No, they didn't. I can do it this way. There we go. Now they're gonna use this, all of them. The road, so they require less maintenance. This seems to be used a lot as well. I'm thinking that I should be building a footpath and a road in this direction. Let's try it. It needs to be 6 wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, it doesn't need to be 6 wide, but I would like it to be. There we go. A little bit of cheaper maintenance, I guess. Oh. There we go. Next nuclear is done, so we're gonna be playing with that now. Rest of it, it is what it is. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so next nuclear. Let's see what we're dealing with. We have electricity and we have the nuclear energy. We have nuclear reactor. Now this is nuclear reactor 2. Looks like it's the same one. It has one level up. It costs... Ooh. Well, technically we can... and what I'm planning to... Whoa. Oh, okay. Turn it off. Upgrade 370. We have that. Okay, let's throttle it down. Let's see how the... Oh, this is not going to like it. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna just restock on this coal. I will tell these guys to go after good stuff. I think this is better stuff than what they're mining at the moment. It's less other stuff in this coal, so I think it would be better for them. We can go even this one level up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see what we have. So we have a new thing now. We have a new recipe to reprocess the fuel into plutonium. So this one reprocessor, I think 1 or 2. I'm gonna plan for 2 of them, but I think 1 might be enough. So from 8 of these, we get spent fuel, plutonium, and this is fission product. Fission product is the thing that just needs to fizzle out. It takes 100 years, and after 100 years, it can be just recycled in a shredder. And that's it. This is how it works. So what we need to do now, we need to start producing plutonium. So this, we're gonna have reprocessed uranium 1%, plutonium, and fission products. So we need to go and make a nuclear reprocessing plant. Plutonium can be then burnt in the plutonium. Here we go. Depleted uranium plutonium into MOX rods, and MOX in nuclear reactor 2, we can use it for more fuel. This is easy. We just put another storage here of MOX and feed it into the same reactor that we're gonna have. Okay, so let's. This is gonna be complicated. We will need liquid glass, which kind of takes me to another point. What am I? Oh, I totally forgot about this. I need to remove this. And I need to rezone this area because I really don't like this. Do I want higher speed? Oh boy, I think stuff is piling up. Let's say, let's go for another mine because this is what I'm gonna focus on. I'm doing a little bit of digging here and there with these guys. Let's see if this is the main way in and out. Let's do it like this. Like this. Mine that, and then let's go one level angled in that direction. Angled in that direction. that's it. Okay, what's next? No, the last one here is uranium. Uranium is still not full, so I'm gonna go for semi-good stuff. That means I'm gonna be angling this a little bit more. We'll see. If it's not full after this, I'm gonna go deeper into the good stuff. Okay, so we have this. This is why it's not notifying me at all when it's done and when it's not. So I need these zones. I need the lower island, and then I need to edit this area. So what I'm gonna do here is do it this way. Do it this way. I think this is fine. Yeah. There we go. And now this here we need to create. Why did I remove this? Because it was for leveling, not for dumping. I need to tell them to, for starters, dump stuff here, which I'm perfectly happy for them to do. And then remove this leveling, and let's just start digging. Let's just start digging. This is gonna be a big project for me. We're gonna be taking part of this mountain down. We need to level here. We need to put a railroad here. We need to put a lot of stuff here, but we need also a lot of space. Yeah, so how am I supposed to do this any differently? I have no idea. Tunnels don't exist in this game yet. Yeah. I need to create more space for the trains. So part of the mountain, part of the sea, take a little bit of a mountain, a little bit of a sea, and then that's gonna be our new reclaimed land. But also I need to be sure that that I go a little bit deeper. Like this isn't fine, this is fine, and then go in every direction here, not only deep, because I need to clean around this pipe as well. So it's gonna be something that I'm gonna be playing with. Okay, we mentioned the glass. Glass is interesting thing. We have enough of it for a moment, but for this, what we're gonna be doing now, in the previous series, I built this liquid glass for this very close to my where I was building reprocessing. I was building reprocessing plant close to where I was making glass. I don't want to do this time. I don't think we need that much of it, but also we can get sand from elsewhere and make glass. I can make glass only from recycled materials, for example, which I don't think we need a lot of it. So let's get to the reprocessing plant. We need yeah, this is very good. We need acid and molten glass, and then we're gonna get 3 new products. So nuclear reprocessing. What about this island where we are doing nuclear stuff? Very interesting. We're back here again. Do we have any problems here? Plutonium can be fed to a better reactor. Fission product needs to fizzle out. We're gonna have a storage somewhere, and then we need the then we need, I'm just trying to remember how do we get fizzle. Anyway, reprocessed uranium. What do we do with reprocessed uranium? Hexafluoride into uranium enriched for, oh my god. Okay, so these are both equations that we have. So 8 of these are going to create 6 of these. We are currently producing 1 of these per minute, so this is going to be running like half a glass per minute because we are producing 1. Yes, we have more stored, but that's going to be reprocessed in time. So this plus this, but it's going to be like 1 per minute. Yeah, whatever. This is like long term. How much we're gonna have more power plants. So I'm definitely gonna build another nuclear power plant, but I want to implement this because it's recycling some of the good stuff. Okay, so what do we do here? Reprocessing plant needs spent fuel that's gonna be delivered back. Acid and molten glass. Acid is here. Molten glass we need to make from scratch. Okay, how do we do this? So. Reprocessing plant. Acid is right there, so we can start in that direction. So 1, 2, 3. Let's say like this. Okay, molten glass. Obviously, we're gonna need more space for this, so just put it somewhere. Get away. Molten glass. Where do we get molten glass from? That would be many of these, but I think arc furnaces now, this is gonna need the graphite and stuff. So I will have to distribute this here, or do I actually just make all of this on the old island and then ship it back and forth? No, I mean, like, it's reprocessed uranium, it's gonna be, it needs to be shipped back here, because reprocessed uranium 1%, are we making this? No, we are making enriched uranium, okay. So this can be all on the other island. Yeah, but I'm still not gonna be building it, I'm still not gonna be building it right next to there. Like, we can do it right next to the city, just because I need more space. I mean, like, whatever. Okay, so what are we doing here? We need molten glass. How much do we need? 4. That's very little, man. It would be so, like, oh! Molten glass, molten transport train, what's it called? Can I remember? Ladle. It's called the ladle transfer car. This can do the molten glass. I still need to be more comfortable with trains before I do stuff like that. But for now, for now, I'm gonna go for, I think just this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. This is gonna give us how much glass we can do recycled one, so we don't have to bother with glass. Just a recycled glass here, and then we have all of this. And pollution can be recycled as well, and little energy used because it's recycled glass. Yeah, I think we have enough recycled glass to be happy with this. Okay, okay, sounds like a plan. So we need to build this. These guys can only go on bottom. Oh, I wanted to say this can only go for a bottom level, but no. How the hell does this work? Okay. No, it looks like you cannot, you can just build it on the same level, but you can build it higher. First time I ever see this. Okay, so what do we need here? We need the storage for the, low storage for the glass. Only that, really? Oh, yeah, you have the other thing as well. We can do the other thing first, because this is going to be very small amounts of this, and I don't want to set up the big supply chains for all of this, so I think just like this would be fine. One of them is going to be more than enough, and I'm not going to make anything complex here, so even if you make two of these reprocessing plants, yeah, that's a good point. I said that we might go for 2 of them. So 1, 2, let's do it like this. Remove this. Copy F like this. There we go. That's it. This is supposed, and we have a pollution. Pollution is to be taken care of later. We have the reprocessed fuel and acid, right? Both of those things are going to be, we have a big storage for reprocessed fuel, or sorry, the spent fuel. F. I want this to spend as little time as possible on the conveyor belts, because I know they cause radiation when they're out, if they're not being moved. So, oh, right, I still need to transfer it to the right hand side one, so I'm gonna have to plan for that. Yeah, whatever. It's still short trip here. And then the last one is the acid. Acid is the easiest one, because also we're not gonna need a lot of it, but needs to be in the equation. Perfect. That's it. So acid here, 300. Here we're gonna need spent fuel. Please, you know, fill it up, whatever you can. And then from here we're gonna have one product that this fission product. We can do it. I need a new storage. I can copy paste this one, but I'm gonna have to set the. No. cut it and do it this way, because this is gonna have output as well, because we're gonna be shredding from here stuff. So this needs to go in here. That's it. And here we can just go fission product, and this is output this product only. Tick, boom. So when this is done, after 100 years, they're gonna start shredding this. Okay, here we have the plutonium. Do they say anything about plutonium? Because I think the spent fuel, also plutonium, is radioactive. I think it needs to go into radioactive storage. We can still feed it into the reactor later on, which we will. No, not in the reactor. We need depleted uranium and this plutonium. Okay, so do we need another one of these then? Sure, I can do that. This is going to be plutonium, and here we can just do the. Well, I don't need to do this now. I think it's in recycling, right? And then incineration plant, exhaust, shredder input, shredder output. So that would be this. Here it's retired waste. And this storage can go like this. This is perfectly fine. I'm just trying to copy paste this. What about the other conveyor belts? I don't think they're important. We can do this one here. This is going to be like this. I will think about these demons, about the second one, as they escape. I'm not gonna deal with this now, but it's not a big problem. These conveyor belts are long, so we can go connect them like this, for example, whatever. This is exactly what I was thinking about, but like this one here, this one yoink, and then like this. Can you go it one more up? Here, and then this is not it, right? This is the wrong one. This is the other one, but it doesn't matter. This is gonna be for later. So molten glass. Do I need anything else? No, that's it. I think this is it. We need exhaust. We need to deal with exhaust, and that's it. This is how the reprocessing will work. We need to deliver. We need to. Well, nothing. We just need to start reprocessing. We need to decide where to build it. We do have pollution exhaust here that I can easily connect it to. I also have a coffee in my hand. And I'm perfectly happy with this. It's just location. Exhaust. Goes all the way here. Exhaust starts in here. I don't think it has a lot of connectors though. That's fine, whatever. So anywhere next to this exhaust, I can do it here. Is it cluttering it? Maybe. It's not that small, and the exhaust is going to be on this side. All of these. Let me then finish this. Let me just finish this. This is the second one. Go here and come on, give me options. Oh, really? Oh, it's going to be a little bit rough here. Okay, so okay, this is just about. Oh, it's even. Oh no, it's good. It's good. I like it. If we need two, but I'm not even sure if we're gonna need two. So that would be this. This would be my setup for nuclear reprocessing. The only thing I'm looking near this. What is this? Do I have any major lines going here? We have some vehicles going in this direction. Didn't I cut this? If I cut it, you must not press escape. If I press escape, I'm screwed. So yeah, let's do it like this. like a so, and then from here goes all the way here and connect it to this one. Boom. Okay, that's it. Let's start building. Let's start. I don't know how much this is going to cost, all of this. Let's build overpass here. Build it. Okay, well, let's start with the storages first. This is just the glass. Recycle broken glass. And notify me if it's under 25%. This is graphite. Graphite. Notify me if under 25%. For sure. 200. Left one is the one that's gonna be in operation. This is the spent fuel thing. Yeah, this is the acid. It's already set up. Perfect. Let's get you into operation. That's it. And then we have, ooh, we don't have enough unity. We only have 6 unity left. Perfectly fine. This is gonna be busy for our vehicles. This. There we go. So let the vehicles do this. Let's speed this up. Okay, so what did I miss? I missed so many things. Medical supplies low. That was from before. Low supply of construction parts. Yeah, we were building like crazy. Low supply of construction parts. I don't think I want these anymore. Same. It's not panic, I don't care. Low supply of graphite, they're gonna deliver this. Glass, is it on the way? Oh, broken glass is still not on the way. That's very strange. I expected more from you. Broken glass only comes from here. So, let me see. Import priority here 9. I'm gonna put import priority over here to 1. There we go. Import priority 1, so any glass that is free needs to go here. I totally forgot about this part. Okay, here we go. Fine. 24 teraflops of processing power. That would be 4 of these data centers, right? Three data centers. Yeah, I mean, like, sure. I mean, we are not in a rush with this. I'm thinking that... let's see what's happening here. We are full of this. Let's go for a little bit of rock mining. So let's go all in like this. And the second one is uranium, almighty uranium. It's low still. Okay, I said if it's low after this one, we're gonna go deep. Cover me, I'm going in. Mega excavator, no fuel. That's gonna be resolved eventually, don't care. Okay, low supply of broken glass. I'm really surprised about this. I expected this to be... I had so much problems before with this, with the storages here, but I think it was just a delivery of materials here and there. That was the problem, but nothing else. Okay, water, broken glass, household appliances. Electronics one. Did I get notification for this? No, because it's not so low. Okay, do I upgrade this then? I think I should. Rather than unpausing the other one. Yeah, let's do that. This is going to mean... yeah, I'm happy with this. Yeah, that's gonna be like the old times, more or less. But hopefully we're not gonna have teraflops. No! Well, actually we will, because something is not working. Let's copy paste this. Okay. Oh god. Okay, let's just unpause this. A lot of electronics. Copper. Copper is full, so I can continue making the ramp. like this. Ooh, they're covering this. Nice. Also known as noise in Ireland. Noise. Okay. High cost supply of rocks, that's fine. Tree sampling, that's old news. That's fake news. We have broken glass missing. Oh, what are you doing here? There we go, glass on the way. Unfortunately, this data center, we need 24 of these. Okay, we have 10-ish minutes left. Let's talk about the data centers. Data centers are, even though it looks like it's there, it's not. This is so far. This setup of the microchip production is pain in the ass. It's complicated, but the problem with this I have is it gets stuck. And look at the supply chains. All of these. You think you just have to make one? No, you have to make every single one of these. And when every single one of these is made, then you get one final gold and microchip stage B4, 4B. Then you get microchips, and then you need to put this into electronics too. And this is gonna be near copper production. And then you get only 3 per minute of these. But you get a lot of these. In the end, this needs to be... Oh, I'm gonna have to remind myself how to make these. But again, this is going to be, well, you know, one of the next things we're gonna do. To be honest, I don't see the point in this. I think definitely I would like to go for microchips first. And then I'm gonna go like aluminium. I don't see aluminium is only for like... space industries. We have better solar panels, right? We have better solar panels. Ah, no, this is for the space. I think it's only for space, right? Do we have any better... No, that's fine. If we're gonna reprocess the nuclear fuel, which we do want to do it, you know what? I'm gonna... Oh, son of a gun, wrong button. I'm gonna stick to this. I'm gonna be building these data centers. Not enough Unity. What the hell? Okay, what do we want to lower here? Let's go vehicles. Yeah, that's a big boost. Okay, let's do vehicles here. Okay, coffee. I'm running low. I'm drinking coffee from my thermos from the gym today. But, yeah. Anyway, gonna need more of these. 3 more, I think. So I think I'm gonna just batch them up like this. I don't think there's any point in them being like far away from each other. 3 of these, and they're gonna be quite expensive. 250 electronics too. This is a good point. I need to be aware of this. Oh, what? Yeah, at least we're gonna see how much we have. Okay, this is the construction parts, nobody cares. Let's go with these. This is production consumption. This is the same production. You can see here spikes. Storage, following the storage here, how much we have. That's a good show of how much of what we need. Okay, let's build these data centers and let's see if we can reprocess all of that in this episode. So let me just unpause these. Build all of these. How many people work here again? 12 each. We have 39 people ready to work. %, because missing input products. That would be, let's do like this. Prioritize this output. This is consuming 48, this is making 48. So let's catch up with this production first, because this is almost full now. I could have let this fill, but I think this is more important. So I'll do this because I mean, yeah, this is more important. I need people to be happy. I need to make sure how much Unity we have. We are again +2 Unity. I'm not sure if this is gonna keep like this, because I would like to save more fuel. But yeah, anyway. Data center done, that's one of them. We have a couple more already being made. Let me see these electronics, how they're dealing with this. Electronics are here. They say it's low. You can see that we have... Oh, I can temporarily unpause this one as well. How are we supplying them? Badly. This guy is working at 78% because there's not enough electronics, number one. We did build one more of these. Is this going to be enough? I don't think so. I think, whoa, look at this caterpillar. Two vehicles in the same location. Yeah, we are getting... You see, 88%. We're not getting enough electronics, one. I think, do I want to do this? Upgrade. Looks like we have enough of these. Do we have teraflops? We just built another data center, so I think we do. I would rather upgrade this than build new ones. I need to be careful how much, like these four here, they consume all the copper. Like that this one conveyor belt can deliver. Rest of them here, I don't even know where you're getting your copper from. Because they consume like 192 copper, like these. And this conveyor belt can transfer 100 and... yeah, this is definitely going to be next thing that I'm gonna have to deal with. Upgrading the copper production. Electronics too. Yeah, that's the one. They're loading the trucks full of these electronics to build the data centers. Yeah, that's good. Last few months they're working at 100%. This guy, not really, missing input still. But I just increased all of this. Now I need to make sure that they're getting all the materials that they need, but that's gonna... not enough input. Yeah, that's what I was telling you about. We will have to get rid of these materials faster, so let's start upgrading this. I'm gonna start upgrading these also, because sooner or later I'm gonna have to build more of the... Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna need more of these sooner or later. Good. Are we done with the data centers? No, we're still missing two. So how many teraflops we have? 3, demand 21, production 31. And we need 24 extra. These two are gonna be 16, so that's gonna be enough for nuclear reprocessing. Yeah, and this is what people did back in the day. Like, this is how they did the great minds of our history, from United States, the Soviet Union, when they built all these like nuclear facilities without any data centers and stuff. It was raw physics. What are we doing here? We need 150 electronics and similar over here. So it's just a lot of electronics number 2, which we are making in droves. I think majority is kind of focused on that. This is balancing, that's fine. Mega excavator struggling to find destination. Okay, we need to be sure that what the hell is happening here? Wait, what? What are you doing? Where are you trying to reach? Did I tell them to do something? I don't get it. Unity is falling. Okay, I'm just gonna choose something. Do we eat more food or consume food? Recycling, no. Fuel for the ships. Why do I have that? We are very rarely using ships, so I'll start with that, even though that's probably not enough. But this is baffling. What the hell is happening here? So these guys, they want to go. Did I see a line going up? No, I didn't. Oh, it's I see. The problem is this corner here. They cannot reach it. There you go. Reach this, and then you're gonna have a corner for you. Are we doing okay with coal here? Absolutely not. We need the good stuff. Let me just give you good stuff then. Good stuff here, and then good stuff in this direction. They want to do something in this direction? I don't remember. Why did I want them there? Ah, right, because I wanted to take the layer of this. Because I wanted to be cheapskate and then get this. Cheapskate, cheapskate. Whatever, do that. Okay, what do we have? Construction parts, not enough Unity. Unity is good, so please remove this message. Let's speed this up again. Electronics needed everywhere. I wonder what is what is suffering now due to no electronics. I bet there are stuff, like hopefully not maintenance. Data center done. Well, looks like we have close enough. Can I start the reprocessing plant? Yeah, I can. Oh, did I have any radiation problem? No, it's not showing any radiation problem, but this is a problem. Though you shouldn't have exposed. Whoa, cool. What's with you? We're missing. Really? Red products? We have 800 of them. They're telling me that they can't reach this. The vehicles, they should be reaching 3, I think, for grabbing stuff. That was my understanding. Output. Oh, here we go. Why is this selected red? I don't get it. Wow, that's so stupid. This is the same over here. They're gonna deliver it now. Concrete is here. We just need to build these. Come on, reprocessing. Boom! Huh? Huh? Told you. Haha! And here we are getting more plutonium. Okay, how much time we have? We don't. Right, so we're gonna continue in the next one. Teraflops looks like we're not looking good. Some of these factories are not working, which actually I need them to work. So I'm just gonna pause this nuclear reprocessing so they can focus on getting the electronics that we need, and then I'm gonna continue reprocessing. This is not a big deal. We only have like 500 of these. They have decent speed with processing this, and later on it's just gonna be, you know, seasonal work because this capacity is great. We'll see how the second one is gonna go. Do we need a second reprocessing? But it's there. If we need it, it's there. If not, I'm just gonna never build it, and that's it. We are missing this though. Oolykee missed this one here. So we need to take care of this as well. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have description of the video. See you next one. Bye bye.